my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I made my son engage himself during this lockdown period. This is kind of an educational stuff. I made these letters. These are completely DIY. These have pictures in it. Every letter will have a picture of an object that sounds like the letter. I made small letters too, just in case he's interested in learning these too. These I made for my son because he gave me cues that he was ready to learn his letters. Now that is very important. Don't force your kid in doing letters or writing. For example, I started to read this book to my son. He was very curious about the pictures in it. He used to find the pictures and tell him the names of the pictures. For example, he used to say, "Mommy, I found a telephone, I found a bear, or I found a book." Then when we started to read this book over and over again, he showed more interest to letters. He got bored of the pictures and he used to ask me what this letter was, or he used to ask me what this entire thing was. And that's when I realized that he was ready to learn his letters. So be very patient and don't force your kid to learn his letters or make him start writing letters. At the end of the video, I will also post a session of me and my son reading these letters using phonics. We can also use them to bring them writing practice. Thank you so much. Let's go to the video. Alligator. Alligator. Good. How does it sound? Can you trace it? Do you like to trace it, Sandra? Can you trace it? Like that. See, it goes like this, and like that. You will do it like that. Like that. Good job. What is that? Caterpillar.